In this example, we're going to calculate GPA. And the grade point average is an example of what we call a weighted mean. It's an average, but each of the different values has a different weight based on, of course, with grade point average, based on the grade and the amount of credits that each class is worth. So looking at the screen, you see here a student has taken 4 courses this semester, and the grades that the student got for each course is listed along with the credits. Okay, so first we got to kind of talk about what each of these letter grades are worth in points. And I think most of us know or have heard before, we all know what a 4.0 average is. And 4.0 means A, right? So for the A, that's worth 4 points. So this A here is worth 4 points. Okay, and then you go down by 1. So B would be worth 3. A C would be worth 2. And a D would be worth 1 point. And then an F is 0 points, of course. So to calculate this GPA for this semester for this student, you want to take the grade point value. So for example, here the B is worth 3 points. And then you want to multiply it times the amount of credits the class was worth. So this, for the psychology class, that class is worth 4 times 3 or 12 points. Okay. The political science class, that one is worth 3 credits of D. D is worth 1 point, so 3 times 1 is 3 points. The math class is 3 credits of a B, and a B is 3 points, so 3 times 3 is 9. And the Spanish class is a 5-credit course, and the student got an A, and an A is 4 points, so 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so then you're going to add these weighted grade points. And so 2 plus 3 is 5, and plus 9 is 14, carry 1. So we get 44 grade points. And since we're calculating a mean, we need to divide. And for a GPA, you're going to divide by the total number of credits that the student earned that semester. So we're going to add up this credit column right here. We're going to add those up. So that's 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10, so that's 15. Okay. So then to calculate the semester GPA for the students, you want to take the total number of grade points, so that's 44, and divide it by the total number of credits, which is our 15. So 15 divided into 44. Okay, and 15 goes into 44 twice, and that gives us 30. We subtract, get 14, and now we need a decimal, and we're going to carry down a 0. And 15 goes into 149 times. Let's see, 9 times 5 is 45, carry the 4, so that's 135. And we subtract, we have a 5, bring down another 0, and you know GPA usually is 1 decimal place, sometimes 2, so we need to round, so let's go one more, let's do 1 decimal place, and so 15 goes into 50 3 times, and that's 45, and we're going to subtract and get that 50 again. So we are getting a 2.933 GPA, and that rounds, if we do 2 decimal places, then that's going to round to a 2.93 GPA, or if we do 1 decimal place, that's a 2.9. And I claim that's very close to a B, because a B is a 3-point GPA. So this student got very close to getting a B for the semester as a GPA.